dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and we're gonna jump straight into this makeup look. Okay, so I am using the new Nikita Morphe palette. So I'm gonna take this light blue color and put it right in the corners of my eyes and also the crease. And I'm just going to blend this out.
I can love you crazy, baby. Can't get enough, no. Just the feel of your touch can take me.
Next, I'm grabbing this royal blue and putting that right into the corner, but make sure you put it below the color that you just added, and you're gonna work that into the crease and make sure everything's blended. So to blend, I just go back in with that light blue color and blend it with the dark blue.
With every motion, lose control, you got me floating away. Lose myself to you.
So for my halo cut crease, I will be using the NYX Born to Glow concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease. I used to use a guide, but I know exactly where to cut it now, so I can just apply it. So I'm just applying that to the middle of my eye, and that's it. Now I'm just going over that concealer with this white color. I'm just packing that right onto the concealer.
Oh, I just might act right if you take your time, if you could love me gently.
So I'm going back into this royal blue and I'm going to darken the corners of my eyes. So I want a transition into all of the colors that I'm using. So I'm starting out with the royal blue, and then I'm going to go back in with the lighter blue, and then I'm going to go back in with the white. So you have to blend everything. So you have to blend the first color with the next color, and then the next color with the next color. So you can just watch. I'm just blending everything with each color. And so I'm going to do a wing liner and apply some lashes off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys how I do my makeup. So I have done my wing and my lashes. So now I'm going in with my NYX Bear With Me primer and just priming my face. And I'm using the Madeline Conceal and Prep foundation in the color tan. And to set that, I'm going in with my NYX No Filter Powder Foundation. So for my under eye, I will be using two concealers. I'm starting out with the NYX Born to Glow concealer in the color Golden, and this is more like my skin tone color. And then I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in the color Medium Tan Sand, and I'm highlighting my face with this concealer.
Come fill me up. I can love you crazy, baby. Can't get enough, no.
So to set my concealer, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution baking powder in the color Banana, and I'm just putting that everywhere that I put that highlight. So for contour, I am using my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest. This is just to add that dimension back into my face. So I'm just working that in, and I like to emphasize the shape of my face. So I also put it along my jawline and also at the top of my forehead. And you want to make sure not to forget the nose. I promise you it makes a huge difference contouring your nose. So I'm going to contour this and then go in and blend that and wipe off that baking powder. And after I wiped everything off, I like to go in with my foundation brush and just blend everything together, make sure there aren't any harsh lines, and then I like to cut my contour. So I highlight my nose. I like to cut the sides of my contour just to make it a little bit more sharp, and then I go in and blend that out.
Baby, love me all night. Need time, got plenty. Take me, I'm ready. Don't just stop.
So now to finish my eyes, I'm just going in with that dark blue, and then I'm going to add the lighter blue underneath that and put on some mascara. For mascara, I will be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex.
With every motion, lose control. You got me floating away.
For lips, I will be lining my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Intimidate.
I'm alone with you. Come take me for the ride of my life. Lips touch me, I can't take it.
To fill my lips, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Lipstick in the color Mon Caramel. And then I am going to top this off with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. You can't have a makeup look without highlight. I'm using my Anastasia Starburst that's in the Glow Kit, in the Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm just highlighting, and here is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you let me know down below. Make sure you guys follow me on my new Instagram, the Andrea Renee. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. There's more videos to come, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell for your notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.
Come take me